How to hide activity on Facebook. So first of all, just go ahead and enter your Facebook app, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my menu at the below right corner. Now in order to do it, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my settings gear at the top right, or I can just go ahead and scroll a little bit down, a little bit down, a little bit down, a little bit down till you find let me just go ahead and start looking for like security, right? And if you didn't find it, you're gonna just start looking, sorry, let me start looking, let's start looking. If you didn't find it, just go ahead, scroll a little bit down, 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 scroll a little bit down till you find your here you're gonna see activity, and you're gonna see your activity and content you are tagged in. So basically you're gonna see right here apps and website. Click on it, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and see the websites that you already linked in. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead onto this website and just remove it, and you can do the same step, right? Let's find out in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.